welcome to my channel Chanda Ravi. I am Chanda and I always upload English related video and also library science related video. My both sir are here and Ujjwal is playing. We have played a lot and my son Veer. So Veer, what's the plan for evening? What would you do after this vlog, after this video? Will you go outside or will you do your homework today?
Yes, definitely. I will teach my young brother because my young brother is not too much well in study, so that's why I daily teach him. So that's why after
It's a good way, like
making the
you
videos,
teach your brother. It's a good way because when I try to, teach him, he just wants to play with me. He doesn't focus himself in a study. He just wants to. If I say something, yeah, you did here and there mistake, you did that mistake, and he cries a lot, and he says like, I will not study. So just keep those books that side. I don't want to study continue. That's why I decided. Like, did you also feel like when you try to teach your loved ones, your younger children? Do they always do? Do this kind of things? Like my son, he does like he doesn't want to teach. He doesn't want to study. He doesn't want to learn anything from my side. And I would be professor, and I teach lots of college and university students. But if I talk about teaching to my younger son, Ujjwal, and he is just like 3 years old. I just want to, when I try to teach something, he doesn't want to learn. He wants to play with me. That's why I decided like my elder son Veer, he teaches him very well.
yes, and in today morning.
He understands. Ujjwal understands everything from his brother, but not from me. It's the truth. What can I say? So, have you ever felt it like I'm feeling like yourself?
So my young brother, he's playing. He always play while study. He don't want to study at sometimes, but whenever I taught him, he catch up early. He saw a lot of things like fish, ball, but he catch up everything very quickly, and her mind is very improved from 1 month. This was done.
You know that when your son try to speak something, you just let them speak. Like he was speaking, and I didn't say even a single word. I don't wanted to stop him when he was speaking. Like if you do that thing, they won't be able to speak. Maybe he has done lots of mistakes, but yeah, we should accept whatever they say. That's why I always encourage my son. That's why I always do like that. Whatever the sentences, whatever you told, it's absolutely fine, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean like I don't want him to speak in a right way, but yeah, it's his initial stage. So they would be doing lots of mistakes. He would be doing lots of mistakes. So what? At least he is speaking. Yes, beta.
Yes.
That's why. So I always say, like I said that, like I speak for 20 to 30 minutes with my son, because rest of the time I would be writing, and always he goes to schools. He also doesn't have time, so he has to do lots of homework, and also he takes that's okay.
No, it's evening.
It's evening time, beta, and we are enjoying. You don't want to play with us? You don't want to play? Okay. It means like he doesn't want to stay here anymore. I have to stop this video here. So yeah, if you like that funny video and whatever we are doing, so if you like, so please stay with us. Hello, hi, how are you all? My son here, he wants to tell something, he wants to say something. What do you want to say? Beta, Ujjwal. Okay, did you get what he
Yes,
said?
रात होने वाला है अभी.
Okay, he said रात होने वाला है अभी. Okay, I know that you. I mean, did you understand what he said? Instead like रात होने वाला है. Okay, I love my son. I just let him speak what he wants to speak. Let him speak. At least we are enjoying here. Ujjwal, come here. Come, beta. Come. Okay, you wanna stop this video? You wanna stop this video?
Stop.
You wanna stop this video? Okay, stop it. Stop it.
Bye.